Yeah. What is going on? Hope you're having a great day and welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to be fishing and duck hunting, so let's get into it. The main reason why we are duck hunting is because it shuts on Wednesday this week. So also last weekend we can go out try to get some. They're all water hens.
They look like it.
Yeah.
Can't see the cars.
That one in the back? Nah.
None there, is there?
Nah. Or is it? I reckon that one in the back's a duck. You see it?
Yeah, I do.
Nah.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, it's a teal.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, there's water in here.
Yeah, he is small, isn't he?
Yeah, teal.
There we go, we got our first duck of the day. Yeah, chuck him in the brown bag, see if we can get some more. Did you see that, Elo? Yeah, way further.
Like,
No.
not these ones. They're black ducks.
Fast?
Oh, they just take cunning.
Yeah.
It's not stupid as a woody or a fucking teal.
Yeah.
They probably didn't get shot at all year, I'd say.
No. Alright, we've had a bit of a shot. Now we're going to trawl back to where we put the boat in. I'm going to try to get some trout. See if they're out yet. So my dad's got this yellow Tassie Devil on. And I'm going to put a pink one. Definitely a very good day like yesterday when we came out for a scope. We are going to do a bit of bait fishing and that too, but for the moment we're just going to trawl some Tassie Devils. There you go. Oh, good boy. We weren't going to bring Elo, but he insisted on us bringing him. He just sat in the car, wouldn't move. Might as well let him come. Alright, we had no luck with the trout fishing at the moment. So we're just going to do some drifting and bait fishing. Both got paternoster rigs. My dad's going to use worms and I'm going to use yabbies. Dad's just going to pluck this duck while we're bait fishing. See that along the bank? There's a couple German shepherds. Must have came from the farm up there, but they must have like broke through the gate or something. They look like pretty chill though. What are they doing, Elo? You go play? Are they having fun? Oh, they're having fun, are they? Oh, got the duck all cleaned up. Chuck him in a bag, put him in the esky. We'll try and get a few more a bit later. For now we're chasing fish. Cook up lunch soon too, eh? Nice and quiet at the moment, it's good. Just us and what's around us. Alright, time for lunch. Still bait fishing and drifting, but I'm gonna start cooking up these sausages. Got a new burner. If you've watched the Lake Buffalo catch and cook, you'd know that the last burner we had was pretty stuffed up. Yeah, it's hot. Definitely works better. 100 times better than that other one we had, that blue one. I reckon they're nearly cooked. Good. Another sanger. Can I head the baby cool? Definitely needed that. Break it up for Elo so he doesn't swallow the whole thing. Because he does not like to chew, does he? Damn, boy.
Hungry?
I reckon he is. There we come.
Ready?
Oh, good boy.
Take it easy.
Do a bit of trawling now after we had lunch. Dad's gonna put this little orgy on, and I have this yellow predator on. See how that goes. Kisses. No! Holy shit! Holy shit! Turn up the GoPro in the water, boy.
Really lost a lot.
God damn! The fishy looked like he was only just on. I reckon it's a yellow.
Ready?
Big ready. God damn! Keeping him.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Ready all year.
Yes.
Hey?
He is a very nice one. God damn! On that orgy.
Yeah.
New. Keeping him. God damn! Was not expecting that out Lake Hume this year. Whoa! We'll go back through there.
No disease or nothing.
Nah. We'll go back through there. 32. What a stonker already. God damn. Chuck him in the esky. Look at that. 32 centimeter ready. In the bag. In the esky. Is that one up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. They fucked off.
Yeah.
Eli, get in. Get in, quick. Come in. What's him, teal?
Yeah.
There we go, got another teal. Don't need to ring him. Getting a bit dark, so we're just gonna call it for shooting. Just gonna pluck this duck and fish. Alright. Chuck a yabby down. Been a very good day out here in the water, eh?
It's getting cold.
Yeah, she's getting cold, but still very nice. Eli don't like the guns too much, eh? He hates them. Just gonna gut this fish and field him when we get home. Very nice size for out here this year, and no disease on him. First ready we caught on that lure. That's him done. Reckon we'll make some popcorn readies with him. Ended up being a very nice afternoon out here. We got a nice feed, got two teal ducks and then a nice size ready. That was good as. Well, I hope you liked this video as much as we did filming it, and I'll see you in the next one.